Hi everyone, welcome back to Yoga with RAMONI. It is time to relax. Let's have a seat with our legs straight out in front of us. I'm gonna just rest my hands behind me. Close your eyes and take a big inhale in through your nose and out through your mouth. Again, take a big inhale in through your nose and out through your mouth, maybe dropping your head back, releasing any tension. Let's make our way into a forward fold, reaching forward. Relax your head, your neck, and your shoulders, and just take some deep breaths. And we slowly come back up, making our way into a cross-legged position. Lower your right ear to your right shoulder, placing your right hand on top of your head. And now we switch sides. Come back to center as you walk your hands forward, coming into a gentle forward fold. Maybe you rock gently from side to side as you take some movement. And we slowly come back up. Extend your right leg out to the side. Place your right hand on top of that leg as you reach your left arm up and over for a side body stretch. Turn to face your right leg as you lower your left hand, coming into a forward fold. Remember to breathe. Let's make our way to the other side. Bend your right leg now as you straighten your left leg and go into that side body stretch. Turn to face your leg as you come into that forward fold. We come up, and now let's straighten both legs in front of us. Our legs are closed together. Reach your arms up overhead. And forward fold. Reach for those toes or your ankles or your legs. Lower down onto your back, hugging your knees into your chest. Lower your feet as you roll over onto your left side for the fetal position. And now roll onto your belly. Coming into your Sphinx pose, pressing through your forearms and your elbows, shining the chest forward. Bring your right ear to your right shoulder. Drop your head forward and left ear to left shoulder. Continue repeating that at your own pace. Let's make our way into the fetal position, coming onto our right side this time. And we make our way onto our back. Hug your knees into your chest. And begin to extend your legs up to the ceiling, coming into your waterfall pose. Your legs don't have to be straight. You can soften the knees. And let's end class by lowering our legs all the way down for Shavasana. Open your legs a little bit and just relax your body. Relax your forehead and your eyelids. Relax your cheeks and your jaw. Soften your shoulders and your arms. Your hands, your fingertips, your belly, your legs, your feet, and your toes. Take a big inhale in through your nose. Let it out through your mouth. Thank you for practicing with me today. Everything that you need is on the screen and in the description box below. Make sure you like this video, subscribe for more classes, and I'll see you in the next one.